wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video isn't like a regular try on haul. Like, yes, I'll be trying all this stuff on, but it's not like I just went shopping and I'm trying on random things at random times. You can see by the title, we are planning winter outfits. Granted, like, I ain't got nowhere to wear them to right now, but get it now so listen, if you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. Okay, so I am planning winter outfits. You know how you go shopping and you're like, I feel like I'm gonna buy this because it's a little cute with that, and now I'm putting that all together to seeing if what I had in mind actually looks good on. So if you guys want to see that and get some, you know, like clothing winter outfit inspo, then let's go. So one thing I like doing, I guess in my spare time, is I like making those little outfit collages. You guys have seen them all over the place. You know, you see the little square and then there's the clip art of a shirt, pants, shoes, accessories, all that stuff. I like doing those, so while I was doing it, I was like, why not make a video like actually seeing what these outfits look like in person? So this is the first one that I created, and then I have the outfit here in my hands, and the first part of the outfit is this little teddy coat. If you guys have been here for a minute, then you remember this from a Shein try on haul. That's where I got this coat from. So the first thing I have for the first outfit is this teddy coat. Take that off. There's this clothing company that I've actually heard about for a while because they have a physical store in South Shore Mall, if you guys are, you know, New Yorkers, but I never actually like shopped there from it. But I was on their online website and I was like, wait a minute, this place actually has cute stuff. They're called Akira. I think the website is Shop Akira or something like that. They have cute stuff. They're pretty much like, you know, Pretty Little Thing, Fashion Nova, but like not as much. Like Pretty Little Thing, Fashion Nova, you're pretty much getting the same exact stuff. But this site has some things, you'll see, they have some things that are different for them. So the first thing I got, I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna show off these different pieces, is this little button down shirt here, white. I was hoping that this would be longer on me, and since I'm 5'4", I was hoping it would hit like mid calf area for the look that I'm going with in mind here. And then I got these leather pants to go with it. Now see, look, I'm kind of like, you know, dressed down as far as the face goes in this video because I didn't feel like putting on makeup, but this is why you should follow me on Instagram, okay? Because if I do these type of videos, like planning it out type stuff, yeah, you get the vibe for what the outfit is, but I post like the whole outfit. You get to see it in elements, all that stuff, right? On Instagram, if you really want to see like what it looks like. So I already posted this outfit on Instagram. I already know how it looks. I'll just be telling you like how the clothes fit once I have it on, but you know, just a little self promo there. And oh, I forgot to get the bag. Hold on a second. I also got this bag from Akira. Hands down favorite thing out of this video. Like, look how cute this is. This little fur ball bag. I think that's what it's called, like fur bag. Okay, son, love that. I think that's what it's called, fur bag or something like that. I think this is so cute and I feel like it goes with the outfit. And then for shoes, we're gonna go with the Socates. I feel like y'all already know, you wear this shoe just for appearances. You don't wear this because they're actually like enjoyable to walk in. They're not comfortable whatsoever. They're you put them on, you go to the car, you get out of the car and go sit down wherever you're going, dinner, whatever type of function, you just sit down the entire time that you're wearing them. But I wanted to put it in this outfit because I feel like together this one's giving me, you know, corporate chic. You work in an office, you got a business meeting to go to, but it's winter, so you want to look cute but, you know, not be cold. So that's what I'm going for, and I'm going to show you guys what that outfit looks like on. Okay, I had to take the heels off because I was taller than the camera frame, but I will have video pop up here in another frame of what the entire outfit looks like head to toe. But this is what it's looking like, and I feel like, you know, compared to the vision I was going for and what it looks like on, mission accomplished, right? Like I said, this is very, you know, I would wear this for a business meeting, something like that. Throw on the coat really just if it's cold or anything like that, but without the coat, I feel like I like this a little bit more without the coat. But you know, when you get to whatever event you're going to, you usually take it off anyway, right? So just this here with the bag, and I feel like without that you can focus a little bit more with the bag because the bag is the main star of this outfit. So I'm here for this one. The shirt, I would say, is, oh, all the sizing will be down below because I don't remember what anything size is. I'm usually somewhere between an XS and a small, so I want to tell you guys and end up being wrong. So actual sizing will be in the description, but the shirt, I mean, you know, she a little see-through, but not like completely see-through type see-through. But it's still, it looks nice, you know, for however much I paid for this. And then the pants, I feel like if you're looking for leather pants, these are a nice little pair to have. They're not the type where it's like you put it on, you just feel like you can't do anything, you can't move or anything like that. Just from how it looks and how it feels on, those type of leather pants make me uncomfortable. But this one, I don't see any issues with this. And I feel like, because you guys kind of heard my legs moving before, I feel like if you try moving, they don't swish together that, yeah, like you don't hear them going, you know, like this. You know the type of pants that do that? You don't hear when you walk in this. So yeah, I think we're good on this one. Let me know where you would wear this one to in the comments down below. And if you're feeling it. Oh, I also forgot, in the Instagram picture, I'm also wearing my JBW watch. I bought this as a Christmas gift to myself. You can add this with probably every outfit I'm gonna show in this video, but a nice little accessory to have. For the next one, this is what I created in my mind and on my computer. Here's the outfit in person. Obviously, I also think winter outfits need a good winter coat because I just realized there's a coat for each one. But for this one, I was playing on browns, like different shades of brown. I think I told you guys, brown clothing on me, it's just, it does what it has to do. Okay, so I have this vinyl coat from Boohoo. Yes, this is from Boohoo. And I feel like it gives kind of orangey, but it's like that fall type of, what is it, copper? No, what do you call that shade? You guys know what I'm talking about. That's what this coat is. And then the dress under it is from Meshki. I've never tried anything from Meshki before, so I was excited to try this. They have like a whole chocolate line of clothing, which I'll probably go back and play with. But this is the dress. This is a midi. What are you? This is a midi dress, and the back has no back, like that cuts down pretty deep. So this isn't one that you would wear with a bra or anything like that. I am not taking mine off just because I gotta try on to get through, but you typically wouldn't wear this. Well, I mean, wear it however you want to wear it. Why do I keep forgetting to pull the shoes before I start talking? Also, the last thing other than the shoes, but I'll go get the shoes after this, I have is this little purse right here. This is also from Boohoo, just this little simple, you know, square, what do you call this, cube bag, like the shape of it. And I think this little just added accessory makes this really cute. I feel like the jacket is what makes this outfit, actually. Let me show you guys the shoes, then you tell me if it's the shoes or if it's the jacket that makes this outfit pop. Hold on. These are the shoes for this outfit. They're from Ego. No, I have because if you guys saw the shoe haul that I posted a couple weeks ago, I have shoes from there. I was gonna say I've got to try shoes from them, but I have, and they look like this. Listen, reminds me of hot fire chocolate boots. I haven't even tried it on yet. Doing what it needs to do. I think this is in a size 8. It says UK 6, so I'm pretty sure this is a size 8. But let me go ahead, put this on because I'm excited to see it all together. So this is the second one, and listen, this one's giving me all of my chocolate dreams, okay? This coat, especially, you know, like after it's steamed, wrinkles and stuff like that, is doing, actually, now that I'm looking at it, I think, yeah, it's the coat that makes this look pop, but the shoes also do what they have to do. But once you get like the wrinkles and stuff out of this, okay, can't tell me nothing in this coat. And listen, I don't have anywhere to wear any of this stuff right now, but once I do, I'm going to, okay? Any outfit, any clothing that you guys see me post up on social media during this like quarantine time, best believe I'm going to wear it, because guess what? Social media might have seen it, but Kathy, who lives 2 houses down, hasn't, okay? So someone's going to see it and someone might see it again. That's okay. So after the coat, let me take this off, is the dress. One thing, like, it's not that important, but it sticks out to me, so I'm like, let me just say it. When you like lift your arms in this coat, the sleeves of the dress pop out. It bothers me a little bit, but it's not a big deal. But the dress fits, you know, skin tight. I'm here for that, okay? It's comfortable, it's nice. Like Meshki is a little pricier, but for me trying it for the first time, like this is nice material, and winter, it's going to keep you warm, okay? The only thing I don't like, which it's not the dress's fault, it's the outfit that I planned. You'll see when I like post the full body that it hits where the boots end at a weird place. So it's like, yeah, you can pull the dress over the boots, but like walking, you know, doing normal movements in the dress is going to ride up so that it'll sit on top of where the boots end instead of like over it, which is how I would want to wear it, but it's not that big of a deal. And like I said, it is cut out in the back, so that is what the back looks like. And then of course, you know, like it wouldn't have the bra there, but again, I wasn't taking it off for this video. And then the purse, just cute, simple stuff, just adds little touches to your outfits, okay? And then the boots, love them, okay? I think if they, because you'll see how there's a little open space around the top of it, because I just have you know, skinny legs. I think if they were, you know, more like skin tight, you know, the boots where it's like it's really up against your skin, I think if it was like that, I wouldn't have the issue with the dress. But because there is that open space, that's why that happens. But other than that, no complaints on the boots. How is it walking in those compared to the last shoes I had on? Compared to those, they'd be like a 10, right? But those boots in general, they feel really nice to walk in. I say you'd get some wear out of that. You know how I said before, there are the shoes that you just put on and sit down? They're not those. Like these, I'd say you'd get, I don't know, like six hours before you start to really feel it in your feet, but everyone's different. So this is the last outfit that I have. You know, in the one I just tried on, I was playing on different shades of brown. For this one, I really was trying to get the same shades of blue. This was my inspiration right here. This is the outfit in person. As you can see, they're not the same shades of blue. That's okay. I came as close, oh, can you see the leggings from here? I came as close as I could to getting the same shade, so it is what it is. But yeah, for this one, actually that brown one, I feel that was like a date night type of thing, you know, or dinner with your friends, but like, you know, that type of setting. That's what I was going for with this one. This one, no, this one's really like, it's winter, okay? It's cold, but I'm still trying to look cute while it's cold. That's what this one was for. So the first one was, you know, like corporate, whatever. This one was for, you know, like I have a reason to get out and get cute, romantic reasons, friendly reasons, who knows. This one is, no, really like I'm just going out of my house and it's cold, but I still want to look good while I do it. So the first thing I have is this coat from Pretty Little Thing. This looks like it'll go down to my knees-ish, which is where I'm hoping it'll go down to. Then I have this little turtleneck blue shirt here, long sleeves from Forever 21. And then I have leggings. Can you even see the leggings? I have leggings, yeah, leggings under the shirt. That is, no, this shirt, my bad. This shirt is not from Forever 21. This shirt is from Nasty Gal. The leggings are from Forever 21. And you see this headband in my hand? This is also from Forever 21. I know like the big chunky headbands are the trend right now. I don't really like those, but like I thought the headband would be cute. I hope again that my vision comes across here. You see how I had a bag for the other two outfits, but not this one? That's because this coat also comes with a little fanny pack thing. So again, like this is really giving just the everyday casual winter outfit, right? So let's see what it looks like on. The headband has me a little concerned because now that I have it in real life, I'm kind of like, oh, once again, I forgot the shoes. So for this, I have these little white booties from Nasty Gal. I think that's why I keep getting confused because there are some things from the outfit that are from Nasty Gal and the rest are from Forever 21. But these little, you know, just booties from Nasty Gal. Now see, I did say this is like a casual outfit, but I'm not wearing white boots like this all casually throughout the day because it's white. And like my white stuff, I want to keep it white. So, but I have it for this outfit. So let's see what it looks like on. So this is the third outfit. Look, y'all, I'm gonna have to sleep on the headband. sun. I'm gonna have to sleep on this headband and, you know, see if I wake up and like it, because right now it's just throwing me off. I do like it, I don't like it. Maybe with longer hair I would like it more, I don't know. But for now, I'm just kind of on the headband, and if I like it with this outfit. Also, this specific headband, it's sticky. Like around the edges of it is sticky. I'm not sure if it's from, you know, like having to glue the little bedazzled things on. I don't know if that's what it is, but it's sticky and it actually sticks to the hair. I would try taking it off right now, but it's gonna have my hair flying all over the place. So I don't know about the headband, but the rest of the outfit I feel like came together, does what it has to do. This color on me, okay, pastels, neons, any shades of color on me, but you know, neutrals look good on me too. It's okay to hype yourself up every now and then, y'all. But like this matching of blues that I've got going on, even though I wanted the same blues and they're not, I feel like it's still doing what it has to do, okay? Especially this coat. Now about this coat, I saw the tag, because the tags are still on these clothes. It said be gentle with me because color could run. I'm letting y'all know that it says that. If you were thinking of getting it, I'm letting you know that. But other than that, coat is nice. How warm is gonna keep you in the winter? You might have to wear, you know, some thicker layers underneath, but you know, this is cute, right? But no, I feel like, you know, scale of 1 to 10, this will keep you like a 6, 7, somewhere around it. Yeah, I had to feel it to figure that out. So I like the coat. The top, it's giving the same type of see-throughness that the Akira top was giving. Not see-through, but you know, if you get like real up close, you might see some things, but there's no reason for you to be that close to me. So there's that. And then the leggings, again, especially with leggings, you guys know leggings can be pretty see-through. They're see-through, and I'm kind of wondering if you guys can see the color of the underwear that I've got on it today. Let me know if you can guess what color, like if you can see enough, and I'll tell you if you're correct or not. And then that'll tell us, you know, just how see-through the leggings actually are. But other than that, they actually feel like nice leggings, and they don't feel cheap, you know, you can see through them a little bit. Also with this one, it was like a you get 2 for 1 type thing. So when I bought this, because I bought this, you know, just for this coloring, but there's another one that comes with it. I just can't find it. But if you go to the website, you'll see the other style that comes with it. It's like a tie-dye coloring. That one I've been wearing to work out in. So, you know, it's affordable and you get 2 for 1. So, oh, and then the shoes, like I said, I probably wouldn't wear them all, you know, casually about just because they are white. But like if you don't care about stuff like that, they are really comfortable shoes. You know, they are a thicker heel, a shorter one too. But I still feel like if I had to pick out of the heels I tried on in today's video, like which ones were the most comfortable, I'd still say the brown boots were probably the most comfortable. Like you could really, really wear this throughout the entire day and be fine. But those are comfortable too. It's just the red bottoms. And that was the last look that I have to show you guys. So let me know how you guys think I did on the planning of these outfits. If you would pick any of these up, try them out for yourself, or what you guys are into for the winter season right now. Trench coats, tweed. Let me know. Ooh, my battery going out. Really? Okay, anyway, let me know all of that down below. Like I said, all the information, sizing, all that stuff will be in the description down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells, all of that, guess where? Down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Yeah.